I'm going to solve another one. I'm going to start by labeling this first equation as 1. I'm going to label this other equation as 2. I'm doing that because our a and b is taken by the variables. So the first equation, I'm going to basically get a by itself. So go ahead and write the equation down. A minus 3b equals negative 22. And that's terrible handwriting. All right. What I want to do now is I'm going to add the 3b to both sides. I'm moving it over. That's essentially it. Moving the 3b over to both sides. That leaves me, this crosses out. I'm left with a equals 3b minus 22. Okay, now that I have that, I can basically look at my second equation and I can say, hey, I see that 4a plus 2b equals negative 4. So what that means is, I'm going to underline this in orange so you can see it. I have this a right here, and I have this a right here. That's what's going to be replaced. So bear with me. Here we go. Going over to the substitution, I'm going to write down 4. This is equation 2. Here we go. I'm going to write 4. I'm going to do parentheses instead of writing the a. Plus 2b equals negative 4. Cool. I'm going to fill in this 3b minus 22. And we have ourselves basically a b and a b inside this equation. Now you've got to distribute. Make sure you remember how to distribute here. I'm going to do this in purple. Distributing. This 4 goes to the 3b. This 4 goes to the negative 22. So what you end up with on this equation is 12b. Write it. 12b minus 88 plus 2b. That's all wonky. Plus 2b equals negative 4. Cool. You can see what I did. 4 times 3b is 12b. 4 times negative 22 is negative 88. And then I just brought down the 2b, and I brought down the negative 4. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to put my 12b and my 2b together. They're going to add together to be 14b. 14b minus 88 equals negative 4. I'm going to add my 88 to both sides. Negative 4 plus 88 is 84, equaling to 14b. That looks like 146. 14b. Still looks like it. Whatever. 14b. Now what I want to do is I want to divide by 14 on both sides. Divide by 14 on both sides. I end up with b equals 6. Boom. So our b equals 6. Got it? Now what I can do is I can turn around and insert this into any equation. I'm going to just pick the first one again. So I'm going to have a minus 3, put my parentheses. I'm going to fill in my 6 now, equals negative 22. Where did I get that from? You can see it's equation 1. I'll go ahead and underline in red. So my b is equal to 6. This is my 6 right here, and this is my b up here. That's what I've plugged it into. So now I'm going to go ahead and finish this out. You have a minus 18. A minus 18 equals negative 22. You're going to add 18 to both sides. Add 18 to both sides. And again, I'm having another pen coming in. This is really annoying me. A equals negative 4. So in this case, our solution is b equals 6 and a equals -4. And you're done.